In this section, we will be looking into Spline Mask and Boole. Spline Mask is for the use of spline, while Boole is for object. So let's take a look what Spline Mask can do. So select Spline Mask, and I have this shape, and maybe I have the circle, and I need to make sure that the circle is smaller. I can put these both shapes under Spline Mask. So right now it should be add. So this is mode is union when I'm selecting the Spline Mask. So I can use A subtract B, meaning that A subtract B. Or I can use B subtract A, things like that. Or AND or 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 intersect. Right now I have this A subtract B. So meaning that the center will have a hollow. And this is for the spline. So let's minimize it. I have this extrude. And I throw this into underneath my extrude or inside my extrude. This is what I get. So if let's say I move my circle around, it will chop off this. And if let's say you want to have this smoother, you can go to your circle and you can choose natural, you can choose adaptive, and you can decrease the angle. Then this is what you'll get. That is what you can do with Spline Mask. And now take a look at the Boole. And over here, I open up the Boole. So Boole is for object. So let's close this and let's get a cube. And I just turn off everything. Okay, I have this cube, and then I have my maybe cylinder. And I move my cylinder to here and maybe make it taller. I select these two elements or these two objects and put it under Boole. And if you take a look at here, A subtract B, meaning that A subtract B. So this is what we get. If I switch it around, then you will be able to see things like that. The Spline Mask and the Boole, they are different in a way that Boole use object. Spline Mask, we use spline, and then we need the help of extrude, lathe, sweep, and all this to create the models. So this is the difference between Spline Mask and Boole.